Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I'm Devine and today I'm going to be showing you how to do a French roll with just a couple of bobby pins. Now I do recommend using the larger size bobby pins if you have them. I feel like they're a little bit easier. You can see the difference here, but you can use the smaller ones if that's all you have. So to start with, we are going to tuck the hair behind the ears, gather up the hair into a ponytail, and then you're going to twist the hair almost like you would if you were creating a bun. But instead of twisting it into a circle, we are going to twist it and pull it up. And then once you get it pulled up and it's nice and tight, hold it as tight as you can, you're going to take that extra bit and you're going to twist it down and then fold those ends in and tuck the hair. And make sure you're holding that bun nice and tight with your left hand, and you're just going to gradually tuck those ends in as much as you can. As you see here, I'm just moving them a little bit at a time, moving that roll a little bit to make sure it's nice and tight. And then you're going to grab your bobby pin. You're going to make sure the ridges are facing down when you put the bobby pins in, and you're going to start at the bottom and you're going to insert the bobby pin going up so that it supports all that hair at the bottom. And then you'll add them as you go. Usually there's one in the top that will go down, and make sure you don't have any crazy hair sticking out there. I normally will use between 3 and 4. You might need more if you have more hair. And make sure it feels nice and secure. And there you have it. An elegant style that is quick and easy. I hope this video helps you out. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave them in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Have a great day.